type of printing applications that we sell to are normally variable data printing applications involving barcoding, numbering, personalization, any type of variable information. So our particular area of specialty is integrating the variable data printing equipment in line with existing presses. So customers that are currently printing ticket, tag, label, packaging applications on a continuous web, but they want to integrate variable data printing capability using the HP thermal inkjet technology, they would be most interested in acquiring those products from PTS. We have the ability to do a fully stitched 8-inch wide, 10-inch wide, 16-inch wide print width, which is unique against our competitors. Basically, we focus very strongly on satisfying the needs of the customer, including turnkey systems, and making sure that the solution worked for their application, versus selling them a bunch of components and leaving them to be stuck with making it work. If a customer has a technical problem, we can usually solve that problem very expeditiously, which reduces their downtime and keeps their presses running more of the time. Before PTS got involved with this technology, we did have customers coming to us looking for variable data print capability that they could not achieve with their existing equipment. Hewlett-Packard stands behind their products completely. They do understand our customers' needs, they understand our needs, and they've accommodated them very well. The old technology, the cost of consumables is usually quite high. It requires a higher level of operator skill level, excessive downtime. One of the main values of the HP water-based inks is the fact that they are completely environmentally friendly. So there's no hazardous material handling procedures, there's no solvents. The inks can be easily disposed of. They work well with all kinds of porous substrates. There are certain ink formulations that are water-based that work with less porous substrates. But in general, the water-based inks are very easy to use, very easy wash-up. Color changes are very simple. So the versatility is one of the strongest points of the HP technology. The JetFlex variable data printing system is an HP thermal inkjet based printing technology that, combined with the software, allow for printing variable data, meaning numbers and barcodes that change on every page in a printing application in line with a printing press. One of the things that makes the JetFlex system unique is its flexibility and modularity. So with a few basic components, it can be configured in many different ways to satisfy a variety of different printing application requirements. It's easily portable from one press to another. It's easily reconfigured. So they can buy a particular configuration today, they can reconfigure it later, they can add to it later, so they can increase the investment into the equipment as their variable data printing needs grow. The VeriFlex image recognition system from PTS allows for image verification using either digital cameras or barcode scanners, and provides the ability to verify images in line with the print system to validate that the printing does in fact match what was intended to be printed. There's pre-press capability that helps customers to design their print jobs offline from the press. A lot of software features that are specifically aimed at variable data printing in line with continuous web presses. PTS offers a variety of inks, both black inks, color inks, there are specialty inks, there's invisible inks, there's now UV curable inks. All of these inks have various different formulations for slower drying time, faster drying time, optimized for different types of substrates.
Custom Direct is a leading provider of direct-to-consumer check products. They are the nation's second largest check provider. The application is unique for the check printing industry. It's reducing their cost by no longer having to print on paper. It's increasing their speed. The print quality at this price is just a great deal compared to the competitors in the market. So it's really been a good application of digital printing.
Printing application at MultiWeb is primarily for security documents for both domestic and foreign governments. They are typically holographic type stickers, very non-porous substrate. They really needed the UV curable ink for that application. The incumbent technology that was in place at MultiWeb was a continuous inkjet technology that was difficult to use, difficult to operate, and difficult to integrate in line with their system.
The application we're using today was a UV curable ink product, which we haven't been able to find in the market so far.
The application that we are seeing today is using UV ink to print on a non-porous substrate such as film, plastic, high gloss, where the ink cannot soak into the substrate readily. We use UV ink with the UV ultraviolet light to cure it, and that makes it adhere better to the substrate. No dryer is required for this application.
PTS is offering a UV curable ink capability that allows for printing on highly non-porous substrates.
It passes our tape test, an alcohol rub test, and is printing quite cleanly. It's compact. Did take a lot of time to get it up and running on the press. So far the maintenance on the PTS technology has been pretty minimal compared to what we've used in the past.
It just opens up a bigger market on what kinds of things that you can use this inkjet technology for.
The benefits for the Hewlett-Packard inkjet technology to our customers is the ease of use, low maintenance, the fact that it is highly flexible and configurable.
The biggest benefit would be the setup time. And doing barcodes in line at production speed versus offline increases the production and lowers our costs.
I've used the HP thermal inkjet technology pretty much since it came out. I've used it from a variety of manufacturers. I really like the PTS system because it is very flexible in how you can mount it to equipment. The fact that the print heads are networkable, I can mount them anywhere and assign an IP address and then I can put them pretty much anywhere in the building and send data to it over a network cable. I've used VideoJet, Busgrow, AstroJet.